Hello, I'm in a 2017 Kia Sedona, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So while the vehicle's turned off, we'll come up here and find this dipstick, which we'll pull all the way out, and then you wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel, stick it all the way back in, then pull it right back out again. At this point, you'll see a couple dots there. The dot next to the F is full, the dot next to the L is low. So you typically want it on or very, very close to that dot in the F. If you're getting very close to the dot on the L, you want to add some. So that we'll stick this back in, and also while the vehicle's off, we'll unscrew this cap and make sure you've got the proper type of oil, as well as ideally the same synthetic, conventional, and brand you've been using. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But to add, we'll just unscrew this cap, and then with the funnel or straight from your oil jug, just fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that could cause issues. Once you've added your oil and screwed this back on nice and tight, then I'd start the motor for 5 seconds or so to circulate that new oil, and then turn it all back off. And then I'd repeat the process we did in the very beginning with this dipstick to see if we're on that full mark now. And if not, just add more as needed. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in replacement of regular oil changes, which dependent on motor mileage, type of vehicle, type of oil, things like that. Usually is between 30,000 to 8,000 miles or so between oil changes. And to do those, typically you put the vehicle on a slight lift. So you can get underneath to the oil pan, pull the old oil out by draining the oil plug, replace any oil filters as needed, screw that plug back in nice and tight, and then back up top for your particular motor type, add all the oil recommended for an oil change for your motor, screw this back on tight, and then I'd start the motor for like 5 seconds or so to circulate that new oil, turn it off, and then once again check this dipstick to make sure on that full mark. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.